Here we go again. Adam, not madam. Finally. Sorry, I have a bad throat right now. I finally got out of the volcano, and I'm just uploading a video. Like I was saying, Adam was finally got out of the volcano and 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 finally went to the Tropic of Capricorn. He was happy, but he couldn't find any fruit. He discovered that Ben had eaten all of them, so he went out of the Tropic of Capricorn to look for him. But he will never find him. Do you want to know where he was? He went home, and Adam had it in his mind. So he took a car and drove to his home and drove to Ben's home. And Ben paid, thinking, intruders! Ah! But Adam said angrily, it's just me! Adam? Ben said, why are you here? Well, Adam said angrily, you ate all the fruit from the Tropic of Capricorn just before I could get there. Ben said, yeah, that's what you deserve. For trying to go away from me. And I knew I needed you just to help. But no. You had an opportunity and you already blew it. So they had a fight, but it weren't for long. When Ben hit a leaf, when they got back to the rainforest, and Adam was chased to the Tropic of Capricorn. He kicked Ben from the rainforest and found a mango, the last fruit that wasn't eaten by Ben. He goes to get it, but Ben grabs it to eat that last fruit that was in the Tropic of Capricorn. Adam tried to get it back. He went and to call a snake and a frog. Forget the because the wolf doesn't live in the rainforest, does it? So Adam and the frog and snake chased Ben. The snake used his very long tongue to use his slithering tongue to snatch the mango off Ben. And Adam finally went away to the Tropic of Capricorn and have a rest and eat the mango, but he needed some rest, so he chopped down a great Kapok tree and 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 laid on it. And as it got to night time, he went to sleep. But before he thought, I've eaten my mango, then I took it overnight. What did Adam have to do? And what did Adam have to do? And what what happened to the and what will Ben do with the mango? To be continued. I think it's gonna be scary.